Tired of project chaos and time tracking headaches? Let's jump right into simplifying teamwork by showing you how to join a workspace using Clockify. First, make sure you have a Clockify account. If you don't, head to Clockify's website or download the app and sign up. If you already have one, simply log in. Now, look for the Join Workspace button. This is usually located in your profile settings or dashboard. The exact location can vary slightly depending on the version you're using, but it's typically pretty easy to find. In most cases, you'll receive an invitation to join a workspace via email. This invitation will contain a unique link or code that you'll need to use. If you have a code, copy it from the email and paste it into the designated field in Clockify. This field will appear after you click the Join Workspace button. Once you've entered the code, click Join. You should now be successfully added to the workspace. Welcome to your new workspace. You can now see your team members, projects, and start tracking your time. This will allow you to contribute to accurate project allocation, reporting, and foster efficient team communication. Explore the different sections like reports, team, and projects to familiarize yourself with your workspace's setup. Knowing how to navigate these features is essential for smooth collaboration. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can seamlessly join a Clockify workspace and start collaborating with your team.